I went on tour for the Natec network at Intersolar to ask the partners one important question. What's new? Ignacio, finally we meet at Intersolar. What's new now?
Okay, we are talking about N-Type. We are presenting the 78 cell modules and also the small format for residential.
Okay, let's take a look. Can you explain simply what is N-Type?
Yeah, okay. It's a different process that we are doing in the starting point of the manufacturing process. We are using another doping system for the silicon, and then the skills of those cells are different.
Tell me what the advantages are.
Mainly it's the degradation. We are not finding degradation in the first year of these modules. It's not finding an LID, which is the degradation that you find in the modules with the first sunlight. And lately we are also reducing the degradation, yearly degradation.
Okay, so that is a huge, for the whole period of time, that's a better efficiency. Okay, what next?
It's the coefficient of temperature, it's also lower. It means that the behavior or the performance of these modules under high temperatures, it's much better. It is also impacting in the whole lifetime of the modules. So,
okay, and you said it's a little bit more expensive, but if you take it over the whole time, does it pay itself back?
Absolutely. It would be really soon. The payback period is really recently. It depends on the conditions of each project, but absolutely interesting, of course.
Okay. Now, what are the panels which we see here behind us?
Yeah, well, we are presenting panels for utility scale. We are starting on these points. The mass production is at the end of August this year. We will be closing the year with a capacity near to 5 gigawatts, and it's the 78 format module, which is the really large one for big plants, and the 72, which is more a standard product and valid, suitable not only for the very large projects, but for every single project in ground mounted.
Okay, so it's starting to move in mass volume. Next couple of years, will it become the majority of the production, you think?
Yes, well, it is depending on the demand, and we are open to adjust or to meet those demands from our customers.
Yeah, but what is your expectation?
Yes, I mean, we can reach dozens of gigawatts of this capacity. Fortunately, we are producing our own cells, so this is a great advantage to meet the demand.
Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, the 78 cells.
Yeah, this is also aimed for ground mounted systems. In this case, this is the P-type. We are launching it by the end of June, and the capacity will be, of course, whatever the customer would need, because we are starting on more than 5 gigs. We are doing more than 200 megawatts per month. So this is enough to satisfy the market.
Yeah. Amazing that with all these problems we have with the Shanghai and supply chain, you still are delivering?
Yes, we are delivering, and we are surpassing the numbers of last year, despite of all these challenges. So yeah, we are proud of it. It's a big challenge, but we are meeting the requirements from our customers.
Okay, let's look at the next panel. Okay, residential, and I see black, what we love in Dutch, but it's becoming more popular in Europe, right?
Yeah, it's in Central Europe. The usage of this model is really popular, because it's like booming this segment, you know, residential. Everybody is wanting to have models and the aesthetics of this model. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Okay, and if you look at this panel, what is the specifics of this black panel?
Yeah, well, here we are using the 182 millimeter cells. You can see a great number for the power output, and it is causing savings in the rest of the installations in the BOS. So it's bringing a great traction from the market. It's the latest technology, including the better aesthetics. So it's a premium product for us.
Thank you very much. Okay, everybody is getting into Europe, into black. That's nice to see.